Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem money or to receive and withdraw funds from your Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is to go to your admin panel. So here we are on admin Shopify, and now we need just to go to settings so we can see our panels. So from here, we will need just to go to finances. So just search for finances, and here we will find it basically here in this menu. So payments and finances are the same. So from here, you will need just to see your supported payment methods, and then you can choose any one that you would like. And from there, you can start using any payments capture method that would fit you. So from here, you can either use it automatically at checkout or you can use manually to redeem your money. So from there, you can activate your payment method or add as many payments method that you would like. So you can choose MasterCard or Visa or your bank, or you can search by a provider from here. So basically, just search for any payments method that you are using, and then you can start uh, redeeming your money from it. So if you are using automatically to redeem or to capture your funds at checkout, so basically you will have your funds that will be added to your payment account or to your payment method automatically at the checkout, or otherwise you can use after the order is completely fulfilled, or you can choose manually to redeem your payments whenever you like. So this checkout or this checkbox is just for warnings or some notification to notify you to redeem your funds. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.